Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I just wanted to speak a little bit about my fitness and weight loss journey, so let's just start from the beginning. As a child and throughout my teenage years, I was always really thin, definitely unhealthily thin. To me, I guess I had some type of body dysmorphia, so when I would look in the mirror, I would look normal. I didn't look as thin as I guess everyone else saw me, which I mean, I guess that was kind of good since I didn't look at myself as big, just normal. But besides the point, I was still not healthy. I would faint a whole lot when I was younger just because I was not getting enough nutrients and all of that stuff. Mind you, I was eating mac and cheese, chicken noodle soup, and a soda on the side, not just a little cup of mac and cheese, a whole box of it. That's what I was eating. I don't think I was eating enough protein and stuff like that, and definitely no fruits and veggies. Fruits and vegetables, what was I was not eating any of that. So I would continuously faint and all of that stuff, from youth. I think ever since I was 6 or so until, I don't know, high school. I feel like the last time I remember fainting was when I was in high school. As soon as I gained a little bit of weight once I got to college, I don't really want to mention who it is, but people around me started seeing a tiny little belly on me, and they were like, damn girl, you're fat, you're getting so fat. And because they're so close to me, that would get to me, that would really bother me. Person close to you talking shit about you, basically. So I started going, I guess, downhill from there. At that point, I was in college. Once I got to college, I would just eat everything. I went to school in the city. Down the hill from my school, there was a McDonald's at the corner. There was a deli right there too, so I would eat sandwiches, McDonald's, and all that stuff. So throughout college, I did gain a lot of weight. I did come to a point in about 2015 or so. So I want to say my third to last semester or so, I decided to finally work out and do something about it because I was not happy with how I was looking. But I did start working out. I did buy 2 programs, and one of them was for your butt. The other one was for your abs. So I did do these programs with my sister, and we did do the butt one first. Again, this was probably in April 2015 if I'm not mistaken. And from there, I did see a little bit of improvements. I did see improvements in my belly, nothing really on my butt, but I saw improvements on my belly. So we decided to do the abs program. The abs program, I feel like it didn't do much. I feel like I saw more results with the butt program than the ab program for my stomach. So after that, we did attempt to, keep doing these 2 programs, and eventually we got tired of it and just stopped because, teenagers. Actually, I wasn't a teenager. I was 21. Besides the point, after 2015, we probably did that for a couple of months, kept eating all of that bad stuff. McDonald's, my sister and I were obsessed with McDonald's. We would continue eating that, just eating food that was not good for us. And then it came to 2017, and 2017 just kept getting worse. I gained so much weight. I did not work out or do anything. I was just eating my life away. I had McDonald's every single day. Once I left work, pick a McDonald's, go home, eat my McDonald's right before bed. When I say I was eating McDonald's, let me tell you what I was eating. I would have my McChicken with cheese, a crispy snack wrap. I would have 4-piece nuggets with, whatever sauces I wanted that day, with medium French fries, a large Coke, and, I have a sweet tooth, so I had to get my pack of cookies. Yes, I would eat it all, but you know, that's not okay. Like, instead of getting just one thing, like the sandwich with fries, the wrap with the fries, like I would get it all. Like, that's not okay. That's really bad. Towards the end of 17, one of my uncles actually passed away from a heart attack, and I was just like, whoa, like he seemed completely healthy and all of that, like he seemed fine, like how did this even happen, you know? And let's just fast forward to 2018. I did absolutely nothing, not work out, just keep eating my McDonald's and all that. And we actually went to DR that year. Once we came back, I had gained 5 pounds. Okay, I gained 5 pounds. Later on that year, like 3 months later, I went to the doctor because I was not feeling good. I have problems with my intestines, so you know, ever since I was, besides the point, I went to the doctor because I was not feeling well, and he told me that my cholesterol was getting high and that for me to be okay, I had to lose like 10 to 15 pounds within a year. That way, when I visit him again, I should be okay. My cholesterol should be low. And cholesterol is, I'm not sure what it is, but I believe it's like little things of fat that like are in your veins or arteries. I don't know what it is, but it can like clog up your heart and causes heart attacks, which actually is what happened to my uncle. And now moving on to 2019, I still ate what I wanted, and in March 2019, I lost another one of my uncles from the same thing. He also died of a heart attack. So at this point, I'm like, wow, like this is an actual thing. Like, this is killing my family. This is not okay. Like, I need to do something. And did I do something? You guessed it. Nope, I did not. I kept eating. Instead of losing the 10 to 15 pounds that year, I actually gained 5 pounds. So now I had to lose 15 to 20 pounds. And at the end of that year, like December 2019, I was at the highest weight that I actually recorded. So I was at about 161 pounds at that point, and I was just like, what? This is ridiculous. Like, I need to start to actually do something. And what I would do is I would just put on my sweat belt, my shoes and all of that, and I would just walk my treadmill for like 30 minutes a day. And slowly I did start seeing improvements. Now we're in January 2019. I did get a little lazy of walking the treadmill because, you know, it's kind of boring just walking the treadmill. Like, what is that really going to do for you? I mean, it's cardio, especially if you're not doing anything, you know, it'll help. But I stopped for like 2 weeks or so, and in like February 2020, I did Chloe Ting's 2-week summer shred. And I know there was one app video which is part of the 2-week program, and that one video is what I did every single day for 2 weeks. I did not know that it was an actual program, so that's not what I did. So I did that one video for 2 weeks, and I actually did see like a little bit of improvement in my belly. And in like a week or so, I had a wedding to go to, and I was going to be in that wedding, and I wanted to look good. So I decided to do her full program, the 2-week program. So I did it again in full, all the videos, and you know, I ended up looking good for that wedding. I will insert pictures of that as well. So after that, I decided to do her 28-day flat tummy program, and I saw even more results. I did that consistently. I was so hooked. I was like, wow, I'm really seeing improvements in my body. And at this point, I was just motivated. I was like, you know what? I want to keep going. After that program of hers, I did do her 25-day hourglass challenge. And in this one, I mean, I did see a little bit of results, not as much as I expected or wanted to see. I kept going, did the workouts consistently, and once that was done, I moved on to the next one. So after the hourglass challenge, I did the 4-week summer shred program with my sisters. So after that program was done, since I did see a lot of results with the 28-day flat tummy challenge, my sisters and I did do the 28-day flat tummy challenge together. So that one we did finish in like the beginning of July. Right now it is July 11th. So that is the one we just finished. I did not take befores and afters, so I am just going to look at the befores from my last video and insert those here. And then in a few, at the end of this, I will show you guys how I look now. And I want to say about a week and a half into the 20-day flat tummy program, I did start working out my lower body. So I don't think I mentioned this, but in 2015 I did do the Fitness Blender FB Booty program and the FB Abs program, which is, Fitness Blender Booty, Fitness Blender Abs. And, since I did see results, I was like, you know what, let me do that again. So I did start doing the Fitness Blender Booty program again, since that is what helped me shred my belly the most. Right now I'm actually still currently doing it. I believe I have 2 workout days left of that program. Tomorrow's one day, and then Tuesday, the day after this video post, most likely, cross my fingers if I get this edited in time, is going to be the last day of that. Besides the point, that's not the point. The point was that I finally did actually look at myself, and I'm like, wow, I look way smaller. Let me just post, the before and after of what I looked like in the beginning, in December 2019 compared to now. And you could really see a huge difference. And the thing with me is that the place I mostly want to lose the fat is in my belly area, but you can't target fat loss, you can't target where your fat is going to come off of. So I'm noticing it coming off of everywhere. It's still coming off of my belly, but I feel like it's not, that's just not what I'm seeing. I feel like my butt was disappearing, so I wanted to, work it out so I could build muscle and so that it doesn't really go that down, you know what I mean? And on June 8th, I actually started to eat better, just not as much junk like chicken nuggets, pizza, all the frozen foods that we get from BJ's. So I started to try to eat less of that, and I actually started my calorie deficit. So I have been tracking my calories. I want to say I eat about 13 to 1400 calories a day, and in order to lose weight, you do have to be in a calorie deficit. It is better if you stay away from sugary, high processed foods and stuff like that. And that's what I have been trying to do. Last week was not a good week for me because I had Pizza Hut, KFC, and I went to, and I had McDonald's too. And I went to Fridays, a few days ago. Not doing very good. But I'm still seeing results and progress, and it is okay to have a cheat day as long as you don't have a cheat week like I did. So I've been eating the same stuff around there every single day. So for breakfast, I'll typically have yogurt with some granola in it. For lunch, I will have my chicken, broccoli, cauliflower, and a cup of rice and beans. And for dinner, I will have my protein shake, since normally we work out at night together, and whatever we feel like eating that day. Sometimes it will be, most of the time, it will be chicken nuggets and french fries, not 20 pieces of nuggets. Normally I'll have 5 nuggets and I want to say probably 18 or so french fries. The serving size is 9, but that's not enough fries. Or pizza, typically I'll have the DiGiorno pizzas, they'll have 2 slices, so half the pizza or something along those lines. That's what I eat in a day for my calories and all that. But I have been trying to cut out eating the pizza because I noticed that whenever I eat it, I do not feel good. It does not make me feel good at all. And last week when I had the McDonald's, right while I was eating it, I felt like shit right away. So that's how you know your body does not like these foods. Stay away from them. There's something that is wrong. So keep in mind while you're eating, what is your body reacting to, what does it like, and what does it not actually like. And I'm pretty sure I'm missing so many points in this video, things that I want to mention and stuff, but let me just show you what we are looking like now, our measurements and all that, since I'm pretty sure you guys want to see what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like right now. I'm wearing a shirt instead of a sports bra today, but we're starting to see, especially when I'm tightening them, my abs are coming in. Here is my stomach. The line is from me sitting down. And let me just show you the measurements and compare those to last time. So my waist is a 27.25. My lower belly is a 32.25. My right arm is a 10.5. My left arm is also a 10.5. My right thigh is a 23.25, and left thigh is also a 23.25. And let me just do one last spin. And let's just bring this down. So now you guys see my results, like what I'm looking like now compared to when I first started. What I did not mention is how much I weigh now. So I am about 143 pounds now. So I did lose a total of about 18 pounds. So I am right on track with what the doctor told me about 2 years ago. So I am proud of myself for that. And I am going to continue to keep going. I'm going to continue to do more workout programs, probably do another Ting program, and I'm going to continue doing fitness blender programs. And I know that 18 pounds in like 7 months does not sound like a lot, but when you think about it, I've been eating junk food this whole time. Like just this past month is when I actually started eating better and like making a change with my diet, and that's when I actually noticed the most pounds drop. So if you actually clean your diet up a little bit, you can still have that fast food once or twice a week, just not every day. If you keep that up, eating better and stuff, you will see more results even faster and stuff. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who is still watching the video at this point. Thank you so much for hearing me out and following my journey. And I will have more videos like this just because, you know, as I mentioned, I'm not done with this journey yet. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to follow me on my journey, please subscribe down below. I mean, I do post mostly makeup videos and things related to makeup, but I do want to add in more fitness, hair care, lifestyle, and all of that to my channel. If you like this video, if this motivated you in some way, please hit that like button and comment something motivational down below. Thank you guys again for like the 3rd time for watching, and until next time, toodles!